Welcome to North Main, one of Greenville's most established and loved areas, where tree-lined streets, classic homes, and a strong sense of community have stood the test of time. Come take a look. Just minutes from the heart of downtown Greenville, yet quietly tucked into a neighborhood that feels a world away. But every now and then, something rare appears here. A home that blends the charm of North Main with the comfort and efficiency of modern construction. Built in 2020, this home is a unique opportunity in a neighborhood where most homes were built decades ago. The architecture is modern, yet elegant and timeless. Clean lines, thoughtful design, and spaces created for the way people live today. Inside, natural light fills the home, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout the main living spaces. At the center of it all is a stunning kitchen designed for both everyday living and entertaining. High-end Thermador appliances, beautiful finishes, and a layout that feels both refined and functional. With 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths, there is space here to host everything from dinner parties to out-of-town guests, work from home, or simply enjoy the comfort of everyday life. And then there's the backyard. Step outside into something rarely found this close to downtown Greenville, a large, completely private outdoor space surrounded by mature greenery. It feels peaceful, secluded, almost like your own hidden retreat within the city. Perfect for quiet mornings, weekend gatherings, or simply enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Welcome to North Main. Welcome home.